Hello, welcome. This is Pepe's Creation. In this video, we are going to learn how to make your own hairband. These are the items you are going to need. You need your crystals. I'm using white and a different color. Alice band. If you go to the market, there are different types. We have the ones which has been padded already and the one which you would pad it yourself. I prefer the padded one, so I have this, and this is a medium size. We're going to use sea beads, smaller ones. You know, there are different sizes. We are using the very small ones. We have our scissors, our fishing line. I'm using 0.35. and our needle. Let's get started. We are starting, so we need enough fishing line. So initially I'll pick one. I don't know this color, whether it's brown or whatever. I'll pick just 3. I'm going upwards. And I'll come downwards. You see the way I'm arranging my beads? If I pick one brown, then white, then brown, I'm making it into 2. You see it's filling up. So depending on where you reach and the size of the band, then you increase the number of beads. So it's the same format. We are just going upwards. After that, we will apply our C beads. We are done. We are now coming to apply our C beads to it. So we are making our knots. Then we cut our excess thread. With a fishing line, we want to use just a single thread. So this is it. Then we secure our fishing line. So we are just picking our C bead. I'm picking 2 at a time. Remember, this has no formula. So you can choose to make it the way you like it. With a C bead, I'm not counting them. Just a few that my hands are laid on, I pass it through any of the beads. Remember I said earlier that this has no formula. So we are almost done. See, this has no formula, but it looks splendid. You just measure the C bead where you are able to. So this, I think, would pick this bead. And we are done with it. So we just have to secure our thread. I'm securing my fish line. So we are done. And you cut off your excess fish line, and that is that. It's sparkling, isn't it? It's very simple and nice.